Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel MK Construction. In this playlist of building calculation and estimation, in the previous lecture we have discussed and we have calculated the foundation excavation. We have taken this length, this breadth. We have to take all the length and breadth of this side. In some projects you have seen that just have to take this footing excavation. You don't have to take the all, but as per drying conditions and on-site requirements, the consultant has to told about how you have to do the excavation. So we have to calculate it and take this all excavation. In the previous lecture I have discussed this all in detail. As you see in this picture, we have taken this whole foundation and we have cut all this and excavated material to the outside. Because of this loose material and this uh, compaction failure of this site, this is loose material, so we have to excavate this whole area, and on the basis of this we have taken this length, this breadth and depth. We have calculated this 600 meter cube excavation quantity. So in this lecture I will be telling you about the sand filling quantities. After this excavation, what happened is that, let me show you in this diagram. After we did this excavation, we have applied a roller. After roller and compaction, we did FDT test. I will show you in this FDT test. We have performed in this FDT test. FDT stands for field density test. As all the civil engineers are well versed with this term, field density test. Sorry for my writing. So in this test, after we applied a nuclear gauge, our compaction should be minimum 95%. How much? Minimum 95% should be our 95% of MDT. What is MDT? MDT is maximum dry density. Should be calculated on the lab. We calculated this value. It's around, in this project we have calculated around 1.8. so your compaction on this site, after you apply field density test, it should be 95% of this 1.8. So once we applied our FTT test on this site, our test our percentage value was around, comes out to be around 80%. So this means that our test is failed. Our test is failed. So what? So what? So this test has value should be around 95% or more than 95% as per requirements of this project. So our value was around 80%. Why I am telling you? Because we have to tell you why we have did that sand filling. So our value was around 80% of MDT, maximum dry density. 80% should be around 95%, but it was around 80%. So on the basis of this, our consultant has told us that your test is failed, so you have to fill a layer of 20 centimeter of subgrade material. You see this? This is subgrade material. We have taken it from Curacite, where it's rocky material, and subgrade material is a mixture of rocky and sand and this. So we did this, fill this excavation subgrade material on this, above this foundation. So I will telling you more pictures, showing you more pictures. This we fill this, and after this we sprinkle water on this. After around 1 day, this all will become absorbed, and we obtain a optimum moisture content. OPM, optimum moisture content. Optimum moisture content, this value is shown in the lab report which we have been given by the our lab staff. So these all values are given on that. After this, we place the roller on this to compact it. Maximum passes around 25 passes per layer. Firstly, we pass this roller on this horizontal, then this side vertical to obtain a maximum compaction. Let me show you more pictures. You see here it is. You see there is more water because of you have to place water equally on all these sides, so there should not be any uh, more water or more moisture on that place. What will happen if there is more water? The compaction test will be failed on this side. Compaction test will be failed on this side because of maximum moisture. What when you place that field gauge instrument over here, that value will show maximum moisture content value is exceeding. So that test will also fail if you achieve compaction 95% but your moisture is more than test will be failed. So you have to be very careful about sprinkling water. There should be a engineer, foreman should be a place in the site. Let me show you more pictures. You see the roller. This roller is being placed to pass and to obtain compaction. So I think I have shown you all the pictures to give you some clear and basic concept why this sand filling has been done. You see this sand filling. After one day we see that moisture is absorbed on the soil or not. If not, then we have to wait. You don't have to pass roller directly over this surface after sprinkling water. You have to wait for one day, maybe 2 days, maybe some hours based upon that soil absorption and temperature. See here, temperature is good. It's a sunny day, so it takes around one day. Next day, your site is ready for compaction. See, the site is getting ready. Rollers are being passed, and now site is almost ready. Almost, you see, the site is ready. You have to be very careful. You see, these should not be played. These should not be. Your site should be perfectly smooth. So we have been told by our consultant to fill a sand layer of 20 centimeter. So let me tell you the hole we have to place the sand layer on this. Let me show you in the diagram this whole surface. Okay, this is around 25 21 meter, and let me zoom it. See, this is around 21 meter and this is around 14 meter. So overall, including this and safety factors and all that, we have been told include this as 16 meter and this as 25 meter. So let me show you in this. This length is how much? 25 meter. Breadth is how much? 16 meter. And depth is 20 centimeter of sand filling 0.20. So how much this quantity comes out to be? 80 meter cube. So this all in this video I have explained it in detail. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, or you can give me any suggestions or any other things which haven't covered in this. You may ask. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.